Guys, is it filming? Okay. Hi guys, so welcome back. We're back on the next episode. As you can see here, I've got to remove the rails. So what I've done is I've done a point action, so I know I can relocate the rails when I need to. We can sand it off. It's all going to be painted anyway, so that will disappear. Now we're going to cut these side rails on both sides. So I want to know which way it goes and which side goes which side, because they're a little bit left to right. So you can see here, I'm just going to take these off for now. I'm just going to take the top bits off for now, but basically you can see I've done the same here. I've done lines here and here, and yeah, and then after we've cut the side rails off, we're going to start taping it up, and so we can paint it in certain sections.
Stop.
Well, I've just painted.
Actually, explain to me what you've done first.
So, firstly, I've just painted the end of the front of the train. I also painted the steam tunnel funnel thing. And then, so I've just done the front, and then these bits we're gonna do gold, and then the bits where the tape is, we're going to leave a bit of oak in with the paint. So yeah. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is I'm going to paint the wheels green, and then I'm also going to paint this.
And over here, I've started to mark out the back. I'm going to cut these little lines out, and they're going to be painted gold too. So this is quite finicky work, so I've got to just take my time. It's not going to be perfect. You can see my lines are a little bit off, but we'll try and get it close. And I'll do the same on the other side, and that will be that done. And obviously we've got the rails to cut out still. I just thought I'd get Ernest set up with the painting. Yeah, getting set up with the painting, so he's got something to do. I'll get cutting that. I'm just taping everything up, so he can just keep painting. So we'll try to get everything painted today. Maybe do a second coat. Probably won't need it. Maybe. And then once I get the side rails cut out, we'll paint them too. We didn't actually buy any red paint, so much to Ernest's surprise, I think we're going to paint them green. So it's going to look a bit weird, but it'll be fine. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Catch you back in a minute.